How to claim for hearing aids on Medibank. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can claim for hearing aids on Medibank. Now, how do you go about this? It's very simple. I want you to note that if your cover includes benefits for a hearing aid, you can always claim it. But before I go on, I would like to inform you that before you start your claim for a hearing aid, you have to make sure that you have served every relevant waiting period. You have served the 5-year replacement period if a previous claim was made on hearing aids. You purchased the hearing aid in Australia. You purchased the hearing aid from a provider with an ABN. Ensure that you fill out all of this you carry out all of this instruction for you to be able to lay your claim. If not, your claim would not be laid. Now, the next thing for you to do is to go ahead and lay your claim. How do you do this? By logging in into your Medibank account. Once you're logged into your Medibank account, you navigate through to claims. Then on the claims tab, select health appliance and services. Then select who the claim is for. Enter the provider's details, all right, such as the date of payment, provider ID, or the provider's full name. Add item number, add treatment details, upload your receipt, add your payment details. Once you've done all of this, ensure you do not make any mistake. Then review it, all right, review all that you've entered in, submit it. Once it has been accepted, a confirmation page would be submitted. Yes, a confirmation page will be sent to your email to show that your claim is submitted, and you can keep this for future references. So this is how you can claim for hearing aids on Medibank. Thanks for watching.